Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to express my personal views on two kinds of news which are dominating the market in the month of July. We have to identify whether these two news will much influence in the market, much influence in particular segments or not. The two news are very much concerned with the aviation sector and hospitality or service sector, and other one is directly related to the IT sector. Before going to this video, I would like to express few points about the super fancy trading tips platform which are operated in the WhatsApp mode. One is the super fancy options, in which we used to give low budget option trading, stock option trading with the entry and target. Low budget option trading means option premiums with ranging from 10 paise, 20 paise up to 90 paise. Such a low priced stock options with the entry and target will be given in live market through WhatsApp. And along with this, we also give moderately low budget option trading with stock option. Say to take one lot of option trading, a sum of say about 500 rupees or 1000 rupees, sometimes 2000, 2500 rupees is enough to take one lot. Such kind of stock option trading tips with entry and target will also be given, along with update will also given in the WhatsApp. And apart from this, we also give penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making. In this trading tips, we give equity stocks in the price range of 5 paise to 20 rupees. Such a kind of low level but potential stocks. These stocks need not be traded, just buy and stay invested for few months or few years to create great fortune for you and your family. So this is Superfans option. The subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. So you can remit subscription by GPay or PhonePe or Paytm or Amazon Pay to our WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. And similarly, we also give another set of trading tips for equity investors and traders, which is known as Superfans Equity, in which we give a linearly moving, fundamentally moving, strong equity stocks with entry and target price. Along with this, we also give highly speculative stocks which will move abnormally in the market with entry and target will be given in the WhatsApp. So to oil this type of equity trading tips, the same subscription is 7,999 per month. Same way you can remit the subscription. Why? The super fancy equity means the super fancy equity is concerned with safe trading. Suppose I'll explain the difference between these two. The super fancy option is, suppose a person is having a very limited budget, say about 10k, but he is willing to take a moderate risk, so you can join the super fancy option. Suppose a person is having adequate working capital, say above 50k, but he is not willing to take risk at all. He want to play a safe trading. For such kind of persons, they can join this Superfans equity. So both are equally good. Join this Superfans option and Superfans equity as early as possible. Now coming to this video. So in this video, I would like to express my personal views on two kinds of news. One is the news related to the tourism industry. The government of India and our finance minister is very much interested to boost, to help the tourism segment. So she announced certain fabulous packages like free visa and all. Based on that, whether the tourism industry will pick up in this pandemic situation, though we are managing the second wave, but we are expecting third wave and some more drastic events may be occur in the what to call the corona segment, COVID segment. If so, one has to be very clear and careful to handle the stocks related to this tourism segment. So I mean to say that the stocks directly related to the tourism segment is the aviation segment. So stocks like SpiceJet and Easy Trip and Thomas Cook. Such kind of stocks can be an interglobe. Such kind of stocks can be carefully watched. And if there is any momentum or spurt arises, just do a trade and exit from the stock. Need not stay on the stock. So this is one. And another sector is secondary sector, which are connected with the tourism department, is the hotel industry, service industry, or hospitality industry, whatever you call. And you can add hospitals also if there is any medical tourism occurs. So identify such kind of stocks you can have in your watch list. Then if those stocks shows spurt, you can make a trade, then exit. Need not be on the same stock in the same segment. So this is one opportunistic way of doing a trade. And another news is related to the IT segment. Globally, people are saying that the recovery has been started, and companies are started to spend money on IT slowly. But another set of people are expecting that there will be more IT spending across the globe. If there is more IT spending across the globe, and the same way, people are saying that, people are expecting that, people are believing that the rupee value will come down and dollar will pick up. So if so these two points connecting together, what will happen? The IT companies will make additional revenue because of the dollar variation, and of course the IT companies will make a revenue by way of getting more orders. If so, whether the IT company stocks will pick up or not, it is a question mark as well as a question mark along with an explanation mark, because in recent times the frontline stocks like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, and HCL Tech Mahindra are not performing well like other stocks. So one has to be very clear and careful by watching these frontline stocks and second line stocks in the IT segment. If there is any spurt momentum arises in the market, then only one can make a trade in this IT segment and do a trade and exit. So in this video, collecting all some of the all points, I would like to express only one point. Consider the stocks related to travel industry and hospitality industry and IT industry. Identify the stocks, identify the movement of the stocks, identify the flow of prices. If there is any abnormal thing you see in the watch window, if there is any spurt arises in the particular day, do a trade and exit. Do not stay on the stock for short term or long time. So this is not the way of picking up these stocks in this COVID situation. The COVID situation is not completely finished. The climax has not yet come. So do opportunistic trade only. So this all about the newses related to the segments. So I repeat, please join the Superfans option or Superfans equity, or it is better you can join Superfans option and Superfans equity both. So join as early as possible. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.